Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI. Are you wanting to learn a new musical instrument? Well, I would highly suggest this ukulele from Hola Music. This ukulele is for my 6-year-old son who is a true beginner and has been really wanting to learn how to play the ukulele for months now. He recently got this, so he is still just starting to learn, but this has been the perfect instrument for him to learn on, and he gets excited every time he picks it up. This ukulele from Hola Music is a beautiful quality. I absolutely love the design and the beautiful maple wood that it's made out of. The strings are very nice and perfect for a beginner. As soon as it arrived, my husband and son began tuning it. We love the very crisp and clear sound. There's something about the sound of a ukulele that just really makes you so relaxed and just feel good inside. Now, my son is a true beginner and he's just learning how to play this. Even in his beginner stages, learning how the string works, how to hold the ukulele, and really just learning a few basic notes, the sound is absolutely beautiful. Now, this is from a beginner standpoint, but you can still see the very beautiful quality if you just take a listen to the sound. This came with the complete set, the ukulele, a strap, a canvas bag, and even picks to play with too. This produces such a beautiful sound, even just strumming along. This is a great ukulele for beginners, whether you're adults or kids. My son and my husband both have really enjoyed learning on this instrument. So if you or your loved one want to start playing the beautiful sound of a ukulele, I would definitely check out this one from Hola Music. But that's just my point of view.